Hi, today we have to find out whether the shape is a cube. How do we find it out? Well, to use this formula right here. The volume is equal to the length multiplied by the width multiplied by the height. But someone forget to use proper record keeping, so we only have the volume and the length of one single side. It's up to you to find out whether the cuboid has equal sides. Return true if the cuboid has equal sides and return false otherwise. And also return false if there are any invalid numbers. In other words, numbers that are 0 or less. Okay, let's start with the exception to the rule. So we have a condition here, an if condition. If the volume is less than or equal to 0, or the side is less than or equal than 0, then we return false to have that out of the way. Else, colon, and here we have our main calculation, so to say. Return if the volume is equal to, with double equal sign, the side multiplied by the side and then multiplied by the side. See, the length multiplied by the width multiplied by the height. Well, let's check it out. Bullseye attempt. Well, I hope this video has been informative. Please consider dropping a like and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.